If GOG Galaxy is giving you an update error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with the most recommended method first, then move into a temporary update folder change, and finally I'll show you how to bypass the client entirely by using offline backup files. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and PC tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's do the most important fix, which is to force close GOG Galaxy and reinstall it cleanly. Start by closing GOG Galaxy completely. You can do this by opening the app, clicking the cogwheel in the top left corner and selecting Exit. Don't just minimize it because sometimes the app keeps running in the background and that can cause update issues to keep happening. Next, press Ctrl, Shift and ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see everything running on your computer. Now look through the processes list and find anything that starts with GOG Galaxy. You may see one or more background processes still active even after you close the app. Right-click each one and choose End Task. This makes sure the client is fully shut down before you reinstall. Once all GOG Galaxy processes are closed, open your browser and download the latest GOG Galaxy web installer from the official GOG website. Make sure you get the newest version because update errors are often caused by outdated or corrupted installation files. After the installer finishes downloading, run it and follow the prompts to reinstall GOG Galaxy. This can repair broken files, refresh the client, and often fix update problems right away. If the error still appears after reinstalling, move on to the second method, which is changing the temporary update folder. Open GOG Galaxy again and go to Settings, then click Downloads. In this section, look for the Temporary Game Update Folder option. This folder is where GOG stores update data while it is downloading or patching games. If that folder is on a drive with low space, permission issues, or damaged files, it can trigger update errors. Change the temporary folder to a new custom directory. If possible, choose a different drive from the one you normally use, especially if your main drive is nearly full. For example, you could create a new folder on another drive and point GOG Galaxy to that location. After changing it, save the setting and try the update again. This simple adjustment often fixes issues caused by storage conflicts or bad temporary files. Now for the third method, which is especially useful if the client keeps failing and you just want to get the game installed or updated another way. Log into your GOG account in your browser and open the game page for the title you want. From there, look for the offline backup setup files or manual download options. GOG allows you to download game installers directly from your account without relying on the Galaxy client. This bypasses the client update system entirely, which can be a great workaround if the launcher is broken, stuck, or refusing to update properly. Download the necessary offline backup setup files, then run them manually to install or update the game. This method is slower than using the client, but it is very reliable when the launcher itself is the problem. To recap, if you see a GOG error update issue, first force close GOG Galaxy, end all leftover background processes and reinstall using the latest web installer. If that doesn't work, change the temporary game update folder to a fresh directory. And if you still need a workaround, use the offline backup files from your GOG account to bypass the client completely. I hope this helped you fix the GOG update error quickly and get back to gaming. If it did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step fixes just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.